Sandhan. All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.
गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून. आज हम जा रहे हैं इंट्रोडक्शन टू दी ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स लिगेंड फील्ड थियोरी LFT. ओके, लिगेंड फील्ड थियोरी इज ड्यू टू incompletely filled d orbital transition metal exhibit several interesting physical and chemical properties. D orbitals are five-fold d orbitals: dxy, dyz, dxz, d x square minus y square and dz square. dz square and dx square minus y square orbitals is lobes on the axis, and dxy, dyz and dxz orbitals are lay in plane, not on the axis. The lobes of dz square orbitals on the z axis. The lobes of dx square and y square orbitals dy y axis and x axis. So dz square and dx square minus y square orbitals are known as EG orbitals, and dxy, dyz and dxz orbitals are known as T2G orbitals. Now the d orbitals dxy, dyz and dxz lay in xy, yz and xz planes respectively. These lobes do not touch any of the axes. These three orbitals are known as set of T2G set, and dz square and dx square minus y square orbitals lay on the x and y axis. These orbitals are known as EG orbitals. Now we saw splitting in octahedral complex ML6. M, that means central metal ion. L means ligands. In octahedral ligand fields, central metal ion M, 6 ligands Z, Y and X axis. Five-fold degenerate d orbitals dxy, dyz, dxz, dx square minus y square and dz square. When the splitting of d orbitals of dxy, dyz and dxz orbitals is the lobes of dz square and dx square minus y square are strong repulsion, then dxy, dyz and dxz orbitals. So the orbitals is split up into two parts, dxy, dyz and dxz is called T2G set. T2G set is lower in energy, and dz square and dx square minus y square orbitals is higher in energy. Delta O that means octahedral complex. T2G orbitals are minus 2 by 5 delta O or minus 4 dq, and EG orbitals is 3 by 5 delta O or 6 dq is value. The lobes of dx square minus y square and the lobes of dz square is on the axis. So central metal ion and ligand, between ligand strong repulsion, then dxy, dyz and dxz axis. Now splitting in tetrahedral complex. In tetrahedral complex, four monodentate, unidentate ligand in tetrahedral complex. Nucleus of the metal ion through the alternate diagonal of opposite faces of the cube. Thus, these ligands approach the metal ion along the planes xy, yz and xz. This result into increase in repulsion in T2G orbitals and the increase in energy of T2G orbitals corresponding decreases in the energy of EG orbitals. So the splitting in tetrahedral complex is so in figure. Dx square minus y square and dz square orbitals in lower in energy and dxy, dyz and dxz orbital is higher in energy. In tetrahedral complex is delta T. EG orbitals is minus 3 by 5 delta T or minus 6 dq, and T2G orbitals is 2 by 5 delta T or 4 dq. The introduction of distance and same EG is same octahedral complex and tetrahedral complex. Delta T is equal to 4 by 9 delta O. In octahedral field, configuration become T2G6 EG4. Therefore, T2G orbital decrease in energy 6 into minus 2 by 5 delta O is equal to minus 12 by 5 delta O. Eg orbitals increase in energy. 4 into 3 by 5 delta O is equal to 12 by 5 delta O. Therefore, 12 by 5 delta O plus minus 12 by 5 delta O plus 12 by 5 delta O is equal to 0. In octahedral complex, dxy, dyz and dxz orbitals in lower in energy and dz square, dx square minus y square orbital is higher in energy, and tetrahedral complex dxy, dyz and dxz is higher in energy and dz square and dx square minus y square orbital is lower in energy. Each electron value is minus 3 by 5 delta T for tetrahedral complex and 2 by 5 delta T for T to G set of 1 electron's value. The algebraic sum of all energy minus 12 by 5 delta O plus 12 by 5 delta O is equal to 0. In tetrahedral complex and octahedral complex, the total energy is 0. The algebraic sum of all energy shift of all orbitals is 0. Now, tetragonal distortion. Regular octahedral complex tetragonal distortion in octahedral field. There are two types: slowly removing two trans ligands on Z axis, and second, compressing two trans ligands on Z axis. Slowly removing two trans ligands on Z axis, that means Ml6 central metal ion Z axis પરના two ligands slowly removing or far away removing on Z axis. So the energy of repulsion is T2G orbitals, and same time repulsion of EG orbitals. So dz square orbitals is lower in energy, and same time dxy, dyz and dxz orbitals repulsion in between. So dxy orbitals is higher in energy. Now compressing two trans ligands on Z axis. Z axis પરના two ligands nearer to the central metal ion. So the Z axis is higher in energy dz square, and same time dxy, dyz and dxz dxy energy orbitals is lower in energy, and dxy, dyz and xz orbitals is higher in energy. Now, in square planar complex. Square planar complex in octahedral complex, T2g orbitals and Eg orbitals. Dz square orbitals is lower in energy than delta O, and dx square minus y square orbitals is higher in energy. Next, the configuration with the maximum number of magnetic properties. Magnetic properties of transition metal compounds. The configuration with the maximum number of unpaired electrons are called high spin configuration, and the configuration with minimum number of unpaired electrons are called low spin configuration. Maximum number of electrons are it is produced by strong field. Low spin complex is produced by strong field. High spin complex